I was impressed with the AI-generated design, which became my inspiration in creating a Scandinavian minimalist tiny house design in this video. On the ground floor, I made it in such a way with dominant light colors and some touch of light wood texture. On the ground floor, it was not made too compact because I tried to make the middle room feel spacious by maximizing the wardrobe and cabinet on the side wall, which also has a built-in relaxing sofa. And this is enough to give a space effectiveness so that it can maximize space without having to make the space feel cramped. Overall, even though this is a tiny house, this workdesk area does not stand alone, but it is a single unit with a built-in wardrobe on the side, and it's connected at an angle like this. Actually, this workdesk can still be explored to be made into a folding or sliding models so that it can be hidden but a built-in cabinet if it is not needed. This relaxing sofa is my favorite place because we can find natural light and relax nearby. This arrangement of sofas and cabinets is an effective way to maximize the area of the wall where there are windows by maximizing the function of that area. The impact of which is to minimize the need for space for the sofa separately as in general. The top of the kitchen is made without gaps up to the ceiling for storage of large items that are not used intensively. I think the loft bed area will be more comfortable with private if it is not dominated by window openings, but is still able to get enough natural lighting like this. The bathroom area is made dominant with sparkling stone or marble motifs to give a clean impression to the bathroom and toilet. Apart from that, there is also lighting on the walls, which gives a lively impression and function as a storage area. What do you think about my response to my design this time? Please write in the comments column, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and look forward to my video in the next content. Thank you.